Smoky Mountains. I got here yesterday. Yeah, yesterday we pretty much ate at Texas Roadhouse. We went to Dollar Tree to pick up a few things. And then I'm going to give you our room tour later because we have some business to attend to. But yeah, good morning, and I'm going to come back when I'm decent, so. And I'm ready. Period. I'll take y'all along the ride. We'll see where we're going to end up. And I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye. Okay, so we've made it to the outlet. It is in Tennessee. Very nice, very cute.
How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
So many things to do.
Like Dan and you.
And it goes back deeper, so we're just gonna walk. Probably find some shoes, find something to wear. Last day is tomorrow, so let's make the most of it. This is gonna be a very short video because I really don't be vlogging for real, so y'all are gonna get what y'all get. Thank you. So we just came from Nike, and I got 4 pairs of shoes. Well, in total we got 4 pairs of shoes. She got 2, I got 2, and I will show you them when we get back to the room. But as of now, we're just walking around. Just walking around. Hold on, y'all. They're doing some construction, so I'm gonna flip it back on me. But anywho, we're just walking around. It's such a big theme park. Not theme park, but it's like a very big. Oh, I can show y'all this. See? And it goes further back. But yeah, here we are. The food was good. We are ending up paying $57.87, which is not bad. But yeah, the food was great. I'm gonna wrap it up and I'll take y'all home. Okay, so I'm actually standing outside of our room, but I'm gonna flip it so y'all can see the resort. The resort is very nice. There are a lot of properties, so we're on the on-site property, and then there are properties across the street that are also with Wyndham. So yeah, I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna show you a little bit of it. Very cute, very nice. And of course, there are plenty of buildings back that way. There are plenty of buildings that way. You can't see it. I'm pointing, y'all can't even see it. It's plenty back there. And then also, if you were to drive off of this property, you can see all the way in the distance. There are tons in the distance. So let's do this room tour. So when you first walk in, lock the door. Coach. A table to sit at. Sit and eat at. TV. All of those. Trash can. Ironing board. Iron. Broom. All that you need. That's my room. I'm going to show y'all in a minute. Refrigerator. Some of the snacks we bought. Dishwasher, oven, stove, microwave. I forgot to show y'all the room. TV, king size bed, washer, dryer. Okay, so as you can see, the rooms are conjoining. So you can walk in and out if you want to, but if you close the door on the other side, you can't get in from this way. But if you open both doors, you can see both rooms. Now here's my room tour of my room. Okay. Front door. When you walk in, the same things. You have ironing board, iron, broom, dustpan, all that. When you come to the side, closet, jackets, all that, shoes, whatever you want to put in here, that's all in there. When you come to this side, I have my own washer dryer, my refrigerator. We have an island with the things we just bought. Here's the kitchen. Same layout, except this is a walk-in kitchen. I'm sorry, a walk-in kitchen. Take it to the living room. We have a couch, pull-out couch. We have an amazing view. I'm gonna take y'all out there in a minute. But now, here we are. Area to eat at. Don't mind my stuff. I didn't unpack because we're only here for a couple days. I will take you in there, but it's just another bathroom, honestly. TV. Oh, here's the master suite. I'm gonna unpack that for y'all so y'all can see what we bought. Here's the bathroom. There's a bathroom in there. Toilet is in there, and the shower is in there. And here is the sauna tub, jacuzzi tub. Turn around. Here I am again. Pizza fit. And here, but honestly, yeah, everything's pretty straight, pretty cool. Of course, you can see, closet. Extra sheets are up there. Hangers, safe. Everything you need is in there. Oh, I can show you. And there's another bathroom. That's the sink and there's another sink, the shower, and the toilet. There's the view from my room. You can see it's connected to the balcony. Now let me take y'all out there. If I can open it. Ooh. Here we are. Let me flip it around. Neighbors. I don't think anybody's standing right there right now, but neighbors. Trees. Lots of them. You can see it goes further down. We're on the second level, so. Just a lot of extra stuff. I brought the shoes inside. I showed you. I'm going to show you what they look like now. I bought 4 pairs of shoes. 2 for my mom, 2 for me. I'm not going to show her shoes, but I'm going to show you mine. In total, we spent $125 on 4 pairs of shoes. Do the math. 40% off. Extra 15% off if you spend more than $100. Let's get into it. Super cute. Now, would these be house shoes or would these be outside shoes? Because I don't know, but it's cute. I'm going to model them for y'all when I'm done. And then, these are so cute. And they're fuzzy. Hold on, y'all. Super cute and they're fuzzy. Okay, let's try them on. Okay, so I know you can't really see it. I couldn't get my camera to focus when I tried them on, so, but y'all get the concept. They're cute. Anywho, if I find something else to do today, I'll bring y'all along. If not, see ya.